Yep, it's finally happening. Hey guys, it's Anna here from Miscellaneous Fuzz, and today I'm going to be doing the long-awaited squishy collection. This is definitely my most requested video, and I'm finally going to do it. So before I start this video, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for this amazing past year. It has been exactly 1 year since I have gotten 100 subscribers. Actually, like 3 days ago was a really special day. I hit 100 subscribers, like, what? And that was like the best day of my life because it was my dream to have 100 subscribers. And it is so crazy that I now have 30,000 plus. I have more than that, but who's counting? But yeah, so thank you all for your amazing support. Today I'm making this video on August 5th, but I'm gonna be uploading this on August 6th, but on August 8th is my 3-year anniversary of being on YouTube, and that is crazy. But without further ado, let's begin. And this is also not going to be in any specific order. First, I have this soccer ball, and it is a crush ball. Next, I have this Cafe Dien roll. Next, I have this dragon fruit. Next, I have this Chip 'n Dale Tsum Tsum squishy. I don't remember what brand it is. I have this Cafe Dien bun thing and defects, and I'll show you guys a bit later of what did that. Next, I have this rainbow cake, and I made a video on all of my decoed squishies, which is my last video. Go check it out if you guys want to. Next, I have this Key Brew Italian bread. Next, I have this Hello Kitty dumpling. Next, I have this bread loaf from Squishy Fun. I have this Cafe Dien, I don't know what it's called, like toupee? Not toupee, I don't know, I'm sorry. I have this Squish Delish whale. And that is the squishy band for the chip squishy that I showed you, the Tsum Tsum one. I have this Punimaru egg toast. I have this banana. I have this Lele cloud. I have this Squishimals. I'm pretty sure this one is Ollie, right? Yeah, this is Ollie. I have this hamburger. I have this donut. Oh my goodness. Dang, timber. I have this slice of toast. I have this Cafe Dien. I don't know the name of it, I'm sorry. How unprofessional of me. I have this cookie s'more. Next is this weird donut thingy. I have this sushi. Next I have this bread loaf thingy. I have Santa Claus, or as I like to say, a wizard, because this guy totally looks like a wizard. Is it just me? I have this Winnie the Pooh squishy that I decoed. I have this bitten dumpling. I have this Squishy Fun monkey. I have this Flampo burger. I have this wow bug. have this pancake. I have this Cinderella bun. I have this dog. I don't remember the brand. It's Nani Squishy. Okay, yeah. I have this strawberry. I have this key brew cake. I have this Angie's loaf. I have this replica of an Ariti cake that I decoed. I have this apple. I have this basketball. I have this peach. I have this weird, I have no idea what the heck this is, so sorry. I have this panda bun. Snoopy. This Rilakkuma bread loaf. This weird looking panda bun. This egg. This Sanrio. Gosh, what's this guy's name? This is so embarrassing. I do not remember. This isn't really a squishy, but I have this one. I have this dumpling. I have this cat, this dumpling, this paw, the odd ones out bun, ladybug bun, sushi, a panda bun. This is like one of my softest squishies. Squishy fine carrot. I have this cake slice, turtle, rainbow flambeau pineapple donut, strawberry. This really creepy Santa Claus. That's not really a squishy, so a gyoza, right? Is that how you pronounce it? This little jellyfish thing. Oh no, it's stained. This heart-eyed bun bitten chocolate thingy. This biscuit. I have so many common squishies, but I have this heart biscuit, this cat bun, this peanut butter sandwich, this white thing, I don't know, this rainbow dash bun, this baseball, this football. These are both crush balls. This mangosteen. This little bun thingy. This croissant. This Daiso bun, I'm pretty sure. This is an unlicensed turtle. This latte. This squishy fun cake that is super, super defected. This Cafe Tope thing. This Cinnamoroll blueberry cake thing. Ooh, Nelly, it's hot in here. This cracker that does not crack. This donut. This Ariel bun. This bread loaf with slices. The replica one, not the one from Bredo. This Christmas tree. This Santa Claus. This Flambeau Swiss roll. This Hebrew cat called Elf on a Swiss roll. This brownie. Snowman. Winnie the Pooh bun, licensed by Disney. This Hebrew rabbit holding a cupcake. This cupcake. Hello Kitty donut. This Hello Kitty waffle. This Flambeau cake. A reedy apple. This a reedy love cake, which is surprisingly clean. This Cafe Dien bun. This tart. Disney macaron or roon, whichever one. This Hebrew avocado. This honey pot that is not licensed. This Cafe Dien powdered bun that is also defected. It's Christmas stocking. This donut. This cupcake. Toys Box Shop mini yellow dinosaur. Purple and yellow snail from Hebrew, and the pink one as well. This Good Luck chocolate, I'm pretty sure, from Hebrew. This Flambeau dog, Lucky the sleeping dog. This banana. Pat Zoo monkey. And bathing? I don't know. This Lele hamburger. Raccoon in a hamburger. This woo or wow or something panda egg. The Nani squishy panda egg. The baby panda egg. The Hebrew hanamaki bread. Cafe Dien sesame seed bun, and this is where all of the defects are from. This one is sticking to the other squishies and ruining them. This Christmas Hello Kitty donut. This Cafe Dien, I forget the name, I'm so sorry. This Punimaru mini Cheeky the monkey. This Cutie Creative bread loaf. Punimaru penguin. This bread loaf isn't licensed or anything. This Pat Zoo. Pop Sheep. I always say just Pat Zoo. This Hello Kitty pizza. Hawaii sleeping unicorn. Hawaii? Hawaii, do you say it like that? I don't know. The Eric Abs, which I don't know what that is, but it's bothering the heck out of me. This iBloom Pangdy table bread loaf. This creamy candy rainbow donut. This Yummy Bear burger one. And finally, this iBloom penguin. Yes. But yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Please comment down below any video suggestions, and also don't forget to subscribe to become part of my Fuzzy Wuzzy army, and also don't forget to share my channel with your friends and family. With you guys, thanks for watching. Bye! I love you guys so much. Fuzzy Wuzzy's out.